Today I'm going to teach you how to make one of the longest distance paper jet ever, the JAS-39 Gripen. It can fly over 150 feet easily if you know how to hold and control the paper airplane. To make the paper airplane, you will need a piece of used letter size paper, a pencil, and a ruler. First step, let's fold the paper in half. Next, open the paper. Start from the up edge, fold it toward the other side, and creases down. Open the paper. Repeat the same fold. Start from the upper edge, fold it toward the opposite side, and creases down. Open the paper. Flip the paper over. Start from the upper edge, fold it along the center crease, and use the intersection of all the creases as a preference. Hold the paper and creases down. Open the paper, flip it over, punch the paper so the edges pop up. Fold both edges toward the center crease. Press the upper part down. Adjust the paper. Crease down the edges. Now let's use the ruler and pencil to measure the edge. Estimate about half an inch along this edge. At the bottom edge, estimate about a quarter of an inch, half an inch for this edge. Now draw a line for this side of the paper. Repeat the same step for the opposite side. Just draw a line. Next, let's fold this part of the paper up. Creases down. Repeat the same step for the opposite side. Press down the paper. Place the paper underneath the layer for both sides. Fold this layer up. Press down the paper. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Fold this layer toward the other side. Start from the below layer. Bring the edge toward the center crease. Press down the paper and fold the smaller layer back. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Fold the layer back. Start from the tip, fold it toward the corner. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Adjust the paper so that you can fold it easier. Fold the edge toward the center crease so that the wing pop up. Now you can create a small wing. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Start from the edge, fold toward the center crease. When the layer pop up, rest down to create a small wing. Place the paper down. Turn the paper this way. Use a ruler to measure. Use the center crease as a preference. Good news, the corner is also there. You can use the corner, draw a straight line from corner to corner to create the wing. Use the ruler as a tool to help you fold the wing. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Again, using the corner as a preference point. Draw a line and then fold the wing. Adjust the paper first and press this down. Now flip the paper over. Measure the paper before you can create the body of the paper airplane. Let's use a ruler, draw along the edge of the smaller wing. Make a mark that will help you to fold the next step. Make another mark at the bottom of the paper airplane and draw a line. Repeat the same for the other side. Hold the paper up. Fold the paper along with the line you drew earlier. Repeat the same fold for both sides of the paper. Press down the paper. Now, let's fold the central stabilizers of the paper airplane. Pull the bottom of paper up. Do not pull it too much. Next, let's create a wing. Using the ruler as a tool to draw a line from the top corner toward the corner at the bottom. Just draw a line. Now fold the paper to create a wing. Repeat the same step for the opposite side. Draw a line and then fold the wing. Adjust the paper, open the wing, fix the head, fix the stabilizers. This is ready to fly. You can test it out, but let's decorate it to make it look cooler. Use pencil and your ruler to draw all the lines. That will make your paper airplanes look really cool. Now the JAS 39 Gripen is completed and this is ready to fly. You can test it out yourself or follow this next part in the video where I'm going to show you how to hold and throw it. To fly the paper airplane, hold the paper airplane at the central. Throw it at 45 degrees. Throw it straight. Make sure that you keep your hands straight and throw it along with the wings. When you throw it, make sure that you adjust the wings stabilizers. And finally, thank you for watching everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow my channel. Bye bye.